So we're here with Jared in front of his sweet F250. This thing's a single cab. It's got the big ARB bumper up front, but this has a Cummins sticker on the side.
It does.
So you just tell us a little bit about your truck and kind of how we got here?
Yeah, so I acquired this about probably a month and a half ago. It's a 2005 F250. Originally came with the 5.4 gas job, but since then has had a all mechanical 12 valve Cummins swapped into it. Work in progress, of course. It's a New England truck, but it's pretty clean. It does not have any of the Ford rot.
It's rare to find.
Yeah, I know, and I'm super happy about that.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you want to take a look at the underneath,
yeah,
you
we'd
certainly
love to take
can.
a look. These are like my favorite F250s. Like, I think this is the best generation of Ford truck ever made. I think they look great with the ARB bumper on there. They're super capable. Just before trucks got so big and wide, you could actually take this out on trails and really play around with it. Yeah,
Yeah.
12 valve in there.
Yep.
That is sweet.
It's all hopped up. It's got injectors, delivery valves, fuel plate,
Yeah.
P pump. So it'll keep running until the day. ARB bumper, 40-inch Maxxis tires so far. So it's coming along. But I would love to get a bunch of stuff through you guys, and we'll continue to build it.
Yeah. So what do you think's next? Next mod for this truck?
Probably the Carly suspension.
Yeah.
Right now it's just stock. It's got some lift blocks in the rear and coil springs in the front, but it needs the Carly suspension to be top notch.
That'll really dial it in. This thing will be like cruising like a couch everywhere you go.
That'd be awesome.
Well, we look forward to getting this built out and hope to see it out on the trails.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
Thanks for showing us around.
Of course.